Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. The Eagle's Nest Castle is one of the symbols of my channel. If White Rock Castle represents my creativity in general, the Eagle's Nest Castle is the seal I put on my YouTube project, that is this very channel. Thanks to this series, in fact, I created the first really themed videos, allowing the community to follow me and get to know me step by step with each episode. For quality reason, however, I had removed these episodes from the channel, leaving only a great summary, a crafting marathon which you can still find among the other videos. In any case, I consider this material very important and very valid from the point of view of fantasy modeling, so I decided to do an insane job of remastering the old videos and to give you the whole journey in full version. It was the year 2018, the audio quality has been improved but I couldn't work miracles. Sure, the microphone wasn't working or was sometimes not placed correctly. After all, they were my first steps into the world of YouTube videos. I hope you can still appreciate its artistic, historical and emotional value and that as then some of you come close to this crazy crafter in love with fantasy. That being said, enjoy the video. Hi guys and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. It is Saturday morning and this morning I will work full immersion in my Eagle's Nest Castle. Today I'm trying to finish up the main tower. Actually, I found that this shape was nice for the final tower. You see, I used the coffee stirrers technique for the shingles. It's nice. I think it's very effective. It's very easy, very strong. Add extra weight to your piece. So basically, I think I found my favorite shingles technique. Of course, it's quite laborious, quite long to be done, but at the end you see the effect is awesome. I like it very much. Also, it's real wood, so nice, very nice. I feel that you need just some wash and you're done, you know, for the roof. For fantastic. And I was saying that actually I choose an octagonal roof for the lower part of this monster tower, and then I come up with this tip for a side tip. Okay, I will cover everything with the shingles and we're done. Also, for the base of this final piece I had some extra wisps, always wisps. I add some extra wood pieces for stability and also for embellishment, and I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, like that. This serves as security system for block it, okay, in the center of the tower. This morning I will try to finish the bastion. Finally, I found out the idea that I think will surprise you for the last piece actually of this castle. Then I will finish with the shingles, and then we have all the work around the castle for the rocks, and then we are ready for the black coating. Okay, so a lot of work again, but I'm quite satisfied till now. See you in a bit. Okay guys, the mastio is finished. I'm quite satisfied. I think it's quite beautiful. So this is the result. I hope you can see it. Let me change a little bit the light so you can look at that. Okay. So this is the external part, but actually I'm quite proud for this internal part. You see? Nice. You know that I'm Italian, so in Italy we are very easily inspired by our architecture. So basically it was easy for me imagine something like that and add this column. I like very much this architecture here, and you see it's totally playable. It's very easy to put a miniature inside. Also aesthetically is very nice. Also I added Games Workshop skulls. You see them here, also here. I think it turned out quite good. Now I will show you all the pieces and then we will assemble all the castle together. Okay? See you in a bit. So basically, let's start build the castle, and because now it's quite complete. So this is the platform. As you can see, it's quite big. We have this zone that is totally playable. Then we have the main balcony here with the spiral staircase. This one is correct. Okay, it turned out quite good. This is not openable, but we have the main entrance here for the other tower, and this one will be open like that. This one is the stone balcony. You see, it's basically a little balcony in stone, and this is the floor for the house. In this part, I'll show you, as you can see now, in this part I need to finish the mountain adding the rocks, but the rocks work would be the last one. I like the main tower very much because has this very complicated shape, and his location in the castle is this one. It's not complete. For complete the tower, we have an octagonal floor with a spiral stairway for the center. So I will finish tonight the shingles of this piece, and this is actually the wizard tower of the castle. This is the throne house. There is a tiger here and a lot of wisps also. Sorry for the wisps. Okay. Nice. Can you see it? Very simple. I like this part that will actually create part of the walls, external walls of the castle. Now we need the main wall, the main entrance. You know this very well because was actually the first part that I created. I added some little details, as you can see. Let me show you. Little details for fix the upper part. Beautiful, isn't it? I like it very much. Let's move on with the second tower. Crazy. This is crazy stuff, guys. It's totally unbalanced. And you know, I wanted to create this effect that people need to ask how it's possible that the stuff can stand. A passage for the walls here. Then we have an exit for this balcony here. Then we have a secondary exit on the back. This one, you see. Then you have this particular balcony with these strange pillars. And this is the connection for the bridge. On the top you have the platform. I like very much this one because you can use it for put the little house for the guards, but also, you know, I like because it's a fantastic piece for put your minis, you know, it's like dominant position of the castle. I like it very much. Also you can put here portals and stuff like that. I will put a portal actually. Before I add the other parts, we need to put the secondary stone bridge. It's this little one. I like it very much. It's very simple. It's just an arch. I like that it's an arrow actually, very tiny. So, you know, when a miniature pass through this bridge, it's very high, so it's scary. It's scary to pass there. It's very dangerous bridge, so I like it very much. So this allows me to connect the two towers, also to give them a lot of strength and more stability. I will color it in a way. Okay. So you know this also very well. This is the little house, guard house. I have the feeling that I need another little tower here. So see you in a bit. So guys, now it's complete. I added actually this part. You can see it is a little tower. It's like a little prison. Now I know some of you guys is very worried about the playability of this piece, but actually it's made to be playable. So actually you can detach several parts, and especially all this main tower is removable in one block basically, so you can have the totally full access to the inside of the main courtyard and all this level that you have inside. Let's see how. Like that you can also leave the bridge because it has magnets. So like that we remove the tower, and basically we have a full access to all this inside. Okay, if you need also you can move other parts, but basically here you have the full access to the inner part, so you can have miniatures there and also play on the level of the main courtyard, you see? Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also consider to watch other videos on this channel and subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, okay? And please consider the idea to support my work and this channel through Patreon. Follow the link below. Just dropping few bucks for a month, just the cost of 1 or 2 coffee, you can support this channel and help me grow and do better and better. Also, another great chance for help and support this channel is through the links below. Those are affiliated links by Amazon. Buying stuff through those links allows you to have your stuff without any added cost, but also I will receive a little percentage from Amazon that will help a little bit to continue these videos, okay? Yes, next time we will see on this project. I think this beauty will be a black lady, so can't wait for start paint and finish all this stuff, okay? Till next time, happy crafting!